Pineapple and cabbage. This is an incredible combination that will surprise everyone. To begin our recipe, we'll need half a cabbage. Let's cut it into really thin slices. Okay. After slicing, we'll put the cabbage in a bowl. Now we'll need one pineapple. We'll peel it, and then we'll cut it into slices first so it's easier to remove the middle part. Guys, take this moment to leave in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Now let's cut the pineapple into little cubes. Okay, this part's ready. Let's set this aside for now and go to the next part. In the bowl with the cabbage, we'll add 1 grated carrot, 1 chopped tomato, half a chopped red bell pepper, 1 sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and 1 carton of heavy cream. Now we'll season. I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oregano, but the seasonings are always to taste. Let's mix all these ingredients very well. This salad is different, full of amazing ingredients, and it's super easy to make. Now let's add a little bit of olive oil. And it's time to add the pineapple cubes. Let's mix. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, but this part is optional. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. And our salad is ready. I bet you've never thought about mixing cabbage and pineapple, right? You need to try it. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.